Shafere, welcome to the Cylinders. Today we're reviewing a car that I really like so much, and a car engicabanga ukuthi mina abantu abayinaki and the crankshaft ikara abantu ngabe bayinaka because I think inacishe yonke into oyifunayo. So first things first, angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba na the younger cylinder.
Hi, Shafere, as usual, Nangazumbuso, and let's review this beast.
Alright, I think Mbuso has already given you a clue as to what sort of car this is. Today, namhlanje siphethe AMG A35, which is a Mercedes, the A-Class. Siphethe sedan yakhona. Gonna be telling you about my features, a lot of nice features. Ngitshela nange engine, ngitshele nange performance. This is like one thing that I think everyone would love about this car. iMercedes ayivumi ukuthi ukhohle le moto yini AMG phambili yangichaza i-aggressive, even though avalekile. I think lama front vents ayifanela le moto nangumunye AMG ishanga ama 19-inch wheels, and lamavili waphethe is actually one of my favorite kuma-rim we-AMG. Ama-brie wakhona are slotted for better performance when braking during track days. Ishanga ama multi-beam LED, meaning ukuthi even if you have your brights on, amchopha umuntu who's oncoming to you. Lama mirror black add to its sporty appearance. Vele standard iza nge-front PDC, rear PDC, and rear view camera, mara uzidingi lezo zinto lezo because ine-active park assist, meaning iyakwazi ukuzipaka. You simply just scan and then izobona ama-available parking spots, uselect, and then it will steer, isbrike, isifake kuleyo parking spot. Mabuya futhi iyakwazi nokuthi iphinde izikhiphe. U-4matic umele ukuthi idonsa ngamavili aphambili nawasemuva. Nasemuva bakwazile ukuyenza ukuthi ibukeke i-aggressive. Inama-dual pipe ne-rear diffuser, which helps nge-air downforce using aerodynamics. Ne-lip spoiler also helps increase i-downforce. Interior le moto, I'm man, jealous down nayo bayishayile. The pedals are nice and metal. The air vents are amazing. Big screen all round. Mnandi ntwana. I-rev counter digital, ngathi ku-Need for Speed. Le moto leya green is active lane assist, meaning it will make sure that you stay in your lane. The seats are heated, futhi are electrically adjustable, meaning awulokhu ubhiziwayindana nezinto lana. Izinto zabelungu ntwana.
How can I help?
I'm bored.
Bored? That's not good. If you're looking for a fun challenge, I can test your knowledge of capital city.
Amasisa lana shange red and black leather, which I think is quite unique. Muva kuna enough space ukuthi abantu bangahlala comfortably. Iboot yakhona is 420 liters, which is way bigger than a hatchback, which is 355 liters. Most things can be controlled with a console, from driving mode to park assist. Ishange ambient lighting, which changes according to your driving mode. Mele ngisho, lena is actually my favorite interior with a segment ye mod. Ngitshele ukuthi le car leni iva kanjani. So comfortable le moto, no doubt. Vele Mercedes, so that's what vele you'd expect from a moto. A Mercedes, steering sakhona is nice and light. I won't really comment about izinto ezifana nabo feel, abo direct. Angisuku cruise and angikho racetrack, so angikwazi ukutshela ngezinto enjalo. But overall, for just driving around, if you have it in comfort mode, absolutely izoba smooth, and you won't even know what type of car you have, and it actually becomes so different mabushinja the mode. Let's find out how Mbuso is enjoying the ride.
Oh, I can tell you that this ride is amazing. Once we're speeding, I can feel the G-forces in my face. It even hurts to speed.
How do you feel about the acceleration of the car?
Oh my gosh! Woo!
So tingintshele ngama specs ale moto. 0 to 100 4.7 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. So feel 100. And then in terms of the power is 225 kilowatts, which I feel like is a lot of power. It's comparable to i-motor ama Golf R. It's around the same power. I think also around the same power as the Civic Type R. So in terms of ama competitors, I feel like it's actually quite competitive on the power and the specs you get. So what about, isn't this fun and pricing? So pricing on this car is around 800,000 Rand. So from 858,000 Rand for the hatchback yakhona. But because of the chip shortage and how rare cars are, you are actually seeing Le Motolezi go for base price of 1 million Rand across some dealerships, because cars are just so scarce to find. Cars, even the used cars, are also getting like very expensive. So one thing I'm sure is Buza, how is this car around corners? Well, the all-wheel drive system, I can let you know, make sure that you can handle corners in a breeze. Steering is direct enough. Amazing. Suspension is nice and supple. The road that we're traveling on is not the smoothest at times, but hardly feel anything. Absorbs wonka my bumps. Speed is amazing. Cornering is amazing. For me, I feel like this is very, very close in terms of e-Golf R, in terms of being the perfect everyday performance car. The only thing might be pricing, but I have a feeling by the time you figure the Golf 8R will also be priced around R1 million. So bafethu sengidrivile ngantshela ngama-feature, nibonile umbuso ukuthi imchaze kanjani. Into engantshela yona is le moto lena mina ngiyithanda. Personally, mangabe khona imali, mangabe selivumile idlozi, hayi ngithi hayi mfana kithi siswami, ngicela please ungabayeki, sikabayemisa. Thenge le moto. It's an amazing car. You'll get speed, you'll get comfort, you'll get the luxury now. So wireless Apple CarPlay, when you hey Mercedes, you know, kulmene moto yako. So yeah, shout out. And this was the Cylinders. Hope we see you again for the next down. Aware.